The Land Transportation Franchising and Regulatory Board is tackling the fare hike petition of transport groups amid the volatility in fuel prices. The group Manibela is warning they'll go on strike again if the agency fails to approve its petition. Micah Razon is reporting live from Quezon City. Micah, what's the latest?
Ahead of the hearing of the proposed fare hike, different transport groups staged a protest outside the LTFRB.
Yung pisong aming hinihiling, nawa naman po ay inyong pagbigyan. Yung mga ayuda, yung mga binibigay ninyo sa ngayon na fuel discount, lubos po namin itong ipinagpapasalamat. Subalit, yung fuel discount po ay hindi po ito ramdam ng pangkalahatan.
They said that they are urging the government to approve the fare hike, stressing that their current income is no longer enough to keep with the continuous rise in the cost of living. The groups also accuse the Department of Energy of favoring oil companies over commuters and transport workers.
Ang langis ay deregulated, pero ang pamasahe natin regulated. Na kung saan hindi tayo pwedeng magtaas kagyat ng pamasahe kapag alam natin na pinapatay na tayo at sinasakal na tayo. Walang magawa ang Department of Energy. Nagmimistula silang spokesperson at abogado. Tama po ba? Tagapagtanggol sila ng mga oil companies at hindi tagapagtanggol ng taong bayan.
Joining today's protest were the non-consolidated groups Piston and Manibela, along with the consolidated cooperatives representing modern and traditional jeepneys, as well as UB Express operators. Maya Balbuena also warned that if their petition won't be or will be denied, they will stage another transport strike next week. Back to you, Mai.
May pahayag na ba ang LTFRB tungkol dito sa banta ng Manibela?
May sabi ni LTFRB Chairman Vigor Mendoza kanina, ginagalang nila ang karapatan ng Manibela na magtigil pasada. At kung mangyayari man na magtigil pasada sila, ay handa naman ang Department of Transportation na magkasa ng libreng sakay para sa mga commuters. Tuad lang din, Maya, same time, sabi din ni Vigor, nagrekomenda sila ng 20 pesos fuel subsidy para sa mga PUBs, pero for approval pa ito. At sa taas pasahe naman ay patuloy pa sila na nagko-collect ng data kung magkano ba talaga ang dapat na i-propose nila sa palasyo. May?
Maraming salamat, Micah Razon, live from Quezon City.